Buenos dias. Oh, here I am, walking again, and the day is raining and cloudy. Fantastic. And it's just starting to piss down, so I might have put my waterproof coat on. It's alright at the moment. We'll give it a couple of minutes. But yeah, I stayed there last night at this place. Well, it was a hostel. You know, it's on the Bon Camino app. Don't know why it's on there, because it's not an albergue. It's a hostel, you know, and there's mainly young people there doing surfing. I wouldn't stay there again. No. But really comfy bed though. It was like a pod, you know, one of those pods. You know, the curtain pulled over, and really comfy bed. The good thing about that place was the bed and the staff. The staff were brilliant. The food was absolute shit. Overpriced and crap. So, no. But anyway, I'm off. Mum, if you're wondering where I am, I was in Loredo. And I'm off to now. Can't hear. Typical. I'm off to Santander. So I'll get there today early, and I've got an albergue already booked. And it's a donation albergue, so cheap, in the city centre. Happy days. I'll speak to you later. Hello, just a quick one. That's Santander over the water there. I've got to catch another ferry. Yeah, fantastic. And it's starting to piss down, so I'm just going to get under this tree for a moment. It's only a shower. I'm not bothering putting my coat on. Happy days. Right here. So yeah, another ferry crossing. Obviously it's a little bit bigger, this one. I don't know how long it takes. I don't know where I've got to go. But I'm just heading down this road to the port. And I should be going to I think I've already said that. I'm going to Santander. So that's where I'm going, Mum. Santander tonight. That's where I'll be. So I just thought I'd say, hello Dad, I hope you're alright. And I hope you're enjoying my vlogs. And you can hear it alright. Hello Sharon and Mills. Yeah. Hello Daniel, James and Jack. I don't know if you watch them, you probably don't. Who knows? Yeah. I'm gonna get on. That was just a little shout, it stopped. Okay. Talk to you when I'm at the ferry. Here comes the ferry. As you can see, lots of people. Obviously the well, here we are on the ferry. It's only €3.30. God, I feel like a tourist. Jesus. But there's lots of pilgrims on this boat. Why walk when you can save your legs? So that's where I would have, over the bridge, around into the town. It's quite far, it's about 5-6 kilometres extra. Happy days. Talk to you later. Santander. Cheers, gracias. There you go. We have arrived. This is Santander. Here for one night. Busy, busy. Take it easy, man. I'll see you maybe up. I'll catch you on the yeah, on the Camino, mate. Bon Camino. Righto. It's a busy place. Well, it's only 12 o'clock. And the albergue doesn't open till 1, so I shall have a wander. Okay, talk to you later. Hello there. Well, here I am. I'm at the albergue. I'm in my room. It's a 4-bunk room. It's in the middle of Santander. You know, that's the view. Great. I mean, no, it's just for a bed. But the guy from Peru in Isla told me about his place. I was a bit shocked with the price. I thought it'd be €10, something like that, but it's 18. You know, I don't think I've got a kitchen. So anyway, look, let's not grumble. I'm not here for luxury. I'm here for a bed, walk in, eat and sleep. And there's someone else. I've got this room up for myself at the moment, but I suspect there will be more people coming. Yeah. Anyway, I'm the first here. I'm going to get my stuff all unpacked, get my bed ready and have a shower. And I will talk to you later. Well, hello, I'm back again. Just to let you know, someone's just come in here, a Spanish fella from Barcelona. And the first thing he asked me was, do I snore? And I went, yes I do. So he asked for another room. It's up to him, mate. But he's in with another couple. I've still got this place to myself. And she actually said, the lady, the owner, 4 beds, my man. So yeah, and that's the way to do it. Tell the people you snore if you want a room on your own. I mean, you know, it just annoys me because you just got to get used to the snoring and all that. You know, it's what albergue life is about. A lot, you know, it's what it's about. That's not what it's about. It's about you've got to accept it. Yeah, tough shit. Anyway, talk to you later. Hello there. Just going to finish this vlog off because there's someone in my room now. Italian bloke. He's gone to dinner. Do something. So the lady that owns this place is a nutter. She's following me about everything I'm doing. She's giving me a bollocking. She's giving me a bollocking for washing my clothes in the sink when she said I could do it. Everyone's getting a bollocking. There's a Spanish guy here and he's laughing at and he's telling me she's got so many rules, it's doing my head in. It's not the first time he's come across a mad Spanish woman, he said, but she's mad as an atter. So makes me laugh. Anyway, you know, I asked her if she would cook for me. Just a little joke. She didn't like that. She stormed off saying something. There's no kitchen in here, so you can't make yourself something to eat. You know, €18. Jesus. Alright, well, tomorrow's a hard day. I've got 26 kilometres to do, so hopefully I'll do it. If not, if I start shutting down early, I'll get a bus. I've got a place already booked, so proper albergue, Okay. Speak to you tomorrow.